Hey guys, so today we'll be reviewing Taj Group property in Mahabaleshwar. This is an amazing property and has awesome sunset views in entire Mahabaleshwar. So let's first check out the amenities. It has an open outdoor swimming pool. This is not temperature controlled, so if you're going in winters, it might be cold. Then you have other outdoor amenities in the form of outdoor badminton, outdoor snake and ladders where you have a big dice, you roll that and you can enjoy skipping and hopping. Then you have few cycles which you can use. You also have basketball which you can play here. There is a cricket pitch which you can use to play some cricket shots, and apart from that you have some other activities in the form of visiting animals. So, you have cute rabbits, ducks, swans and lots of cats in the property. You can go and play with them. Then there are some outdoor games in the form of foosball and table tennis which you can go and enjoy. Apart from that, you also have adventure activity. So, if you see here, there are few adventure games which are available on premises in the hotel. You will have to pay for them. So, these are paid activities, these are not included in your normal package. And if I give you a list of what are the activities which are included, these are the list of activities. So, around 9 activities, and when I went, they was having a plan of 50% discount, so 1000 rupees per person for the entire activity set. Then you also have Ludo and chess as outdoor activities, and apart from that there are some other paid activities where you can buy candles or learn to make candles. You have honey bee extraction and other things. Now coming to indoor activities, you have billiard table, you have a small play area for toddlers where you have lots of balls and Legos. Then you have carom, you have foosball, another one which is inside, this is the second one was outside, and then you also have a PS5 station where you can play some games. Now coming to the room 2, this is the room which we had 201, this was a family view room, and let me show you the room from inside. As you open the door, you will be able to see the entrance. On the entrance, the left hand side you have the cupboard, and in the cupboard you will be able to find all the usual stuff. So, you have your locker, you have your slippers and storage places, laundry bag, you have your iron table and iron board and other things. Then this is the luggage area, you have your tea coffee making machine, kettle and other things, and below you have the fridge. On the opposite side, right hand side, you will be having the washroom door and a mirror. So, this is the mirror, and adjacent to that is the washroom door, and this is the washroom. So, you have your commode, you have your wash basin, and on the left side you will have your normal shower cubicle. So, in the shower you have your hand shower as well as the overhead shower. So, you can use that and enjoy your bath. Now, coming to the room, it has 2 beds, queen size beds. So, it was a comfortable stay for 4 of us, and we were thankful for the amazing hospitality. They upgraded us complimentarily, and we were able to sleep peacefully in the room, 4 of us. On the left hand side, there is a huge TV which has Netflix, Amazon and everything. You can just link your accounts and you can watch. Amazon I think was linked, Netflix was not linked, but you can enjoy here. Then you have your sofa, you have some complimentary chocolates and namkeen which was provided by Taj. You have your chair and table for study and work. Then you have beautiful ambience of the room, everything is looking perfect, and there are bedside tables available on all the sides. So, left, right, center, everywhere you have the bedside tables. Now, coming to the balcony, you can open the door window and you can go to the balcony. You have chair and table, and it is a beautiful place to sit, enjoy and relax. The views are pretty okay from here because this does not give you a valley view, but still you have lots of greenery. Now, let us look at the breakfast options. So, you have your 4 type of juices: ABC juice, watermelon juice, cold coffee and mango milkshake. So, these 4 juices, then you have your fruits in the form of banana and apple, you have your soya milk and other milk, you have cheese platter, chicken platter, then you have your donuts and tea cakes, and apart from that you have cookies, chocolate cookie, oats cookie, natural honey, jam spreads, Hershey's and various type of jams, salads, hummus pita bread, and then you have your fruits. You had watermelon, papaya, muskmelon and pineapple. You had your smoothies and flavored yogurt, normal yogurt, baked yogurt, Bruce Lee muesli, all of these were awesome. Then these are the bakery items, so bread, donuts, cinnamons, cakes, flavored cakes, croissants and multiple other things. Beautiful, tasty and enjoyable. You had banana tea cake, then tea coffee vending machine, few non-veg items, and now coming to veg items, you had your baked beans, stuffed vegetables, parsley potatoes, bajra upma, masala oats khichdi, moong masala, all these were the healthier options. Now coming to usual options, you have your puri, aloo ki sabji, puri will be served on the table. So this is the aloo menu, aloo sabji which I mentioned. Apart from that, you have Mahabaleshwar ka nashta, which usually comprises of misal pav, which is famous in Maharashtra, and poha. And apart from that, you also have your idli, sambar, chutney, podi, medu vada, and your usual complements of sambar and other things. You have live dosa counter, and then you also had sivai kheer, which was very yummy. Then there is some Gujarati farsan, dudhi mutia, and khakra, which is also available here in the breakfast options. Then this is the live counter where you can order dosa and other things. You also have your cereals and dry fruits and other things. This is a coffee vending machine, and apart from that you have hot milk, cold milk, coffee, tea, everything. There are few orders which you can give directly at the table, so they are listed here, sabudana and other things. Now additional activities on the premises, you can look at what all activities are here and you can enjoy those. Few are free, few are paid, so you can choose and decide what to do. Overall, an amazing place to go and stay for maybe 1 night or 2 nights and have a memorable trip. Please remember to like, subscribe and share if you